Login loop error on Truebill Fix. If you're stuck in a lock-in loop on the Truebill app, now known as Rocket Money, where you enter your credentials but it keeps asking you to sign in again, you're not alone. This glitch can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you're trying to track subscriptions or manage your budget. But don't worry, there is a straightforward fix that works for most users. Here's the surprising truth. This issue usually isn't caused by your password being wrong. It's often due to corrupted app data or mismatched authentication tokens. In simple terms, the app keeps trying to use an expired session instead of starting a fresh one. To fix it, first close the Truebill app completely. Then, go to your phone settings, find apps, locate Truebill or Rocket Money, and tap on storage. Clear both the cache and the app data. This wipes any outdated login information that may be looping the app. Next, reopen the app and log in manually using your email and password. Don't use autofill just yet. If you use Apple or Google Sign In, make sure you're signed into the correct account on your phone before launching the app. If it still loops, check your internet connection and turn off any PIN or ad blocker. Truebill uses secure connections to your financial accounts, and ABS can sometimes interrupt that process. Finally, if the issue continues, uninstall and reinstall the app to ensure you're running the latest version with updated security patches. Once you're back in, enable biometric login for faster and more reliable access in the future. So, the next time Truebill keeps looping you back to the login screen, remember, clear the app data, disable bins, and log in fresh. Follow these quick steps, and you'll be back managing your subscriptions in minutes.